Nako guys, ang weather dito sa Baghdad sa Friday, it's raining again. Oh, ayan, raining na naman. Slowly nga lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong malakas. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Raining oh, look ang sky. Ayan oh. Ayan. Ayan yung baba namin. Ganun. Hindi lang nga siya masyadong malakas, pero it's always raining. Oh, look ang sky mo. Oh, look. Ayan yung baba. Oh. Ayan. Hindi siya tingnan mo. Ayan yung laundry ko. Ay, iayos ko siya ng maigi. Iusog lang ba? Yun lang talaga that's the problem here in the condo or in the apartment, because if it's raining time, that's the result. The balcony, it's the same if it's too much, it's not windy. Kasi pag windy, so it's go here. The water, the rain is here, all in the balcony. But if just normal raining, so yun lang, outside only. And this one, the glass. That's all. That's the problem ba kasi? It's not close kasi yung dito. Look. Not like in the another one, down there in the another side in the big balcony. The one building there, they make glass up this one. Turn, inikot nila. Ginagawa nilang anuhan nila ng sliding glass din, parang sinarado ba, pero sliding lang nila. Sliding o close lang talaga siguro. As in, so nilagyan pa nila ng curtain, so makalagay sila ng ano ba yun, another sofa or another bed. They just open, so no more na ewan ko in the another side, that one maybe there is also a small balcony, but in the front, in the main balcony, the big balcony, so they make it close, sliding glass. Kaya dapat kasi it's good only if summer, you can make in washing quickly to dry. But the problem, if your washing machine is there is no dryer, so that is the result. You put outside, and then this one, not one day only to make dry. I put na naman inside in the dining, because the dining, we are not use always the dining, we use the kitchen because we have table in the kitchen. So I put doon ko gawing sampayan. Ay naku po. But if winter sana, maganda yung washing machine mo if you have a dryer, because when you finish wash, automatic na dry. You make dryer na, para hindi na maano pa dito sa outside in the balcony. Because like this one, raining time, if you have laundry, look, the result is like this one. Lucky nga lang, it's lucky because there is no ano ba yun, it's not windy. But the problem, it's windy together, it's raining. Ayan. So ganun yun. Okay. Ano yung Friday, ewan ko tomorrow. Kaya yan ang ng condo units or apartment. Not all sinampay in the balcony. All sinampay in the balcony. Some of there is no. Maybe they have dryer. Okay? Kaya ganun lang talaga siguro. Dali, ilagay ko nga muna ito. Para mag-ano muna ito. Mag-fix muna ako ng ano ito. Iusog ko lang yung sinampay ko. Pag nabaliktad yung cellphone ko na naman, pakainin yung cellphone ko. Para hindi siya masyado. Yala. Bye. Ganito lang kami, bye. Ganito lang kami dito. Aso na. Ewan ko kung mag-change na ba yung sikulot. Yung alaga ko. Yan na. Ay, nako. So once again, thank you. Thank you to all of us, subscriber of mine, the all watching of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe me, share, likes, and comment. That is the very big part support of my YouTube channel. And thank you again, thank you that you spend time or effort to watch my videos. Okay, thank you. Nationwide and worldwide, kasama na yan yung buong angkan ko sa Pilipinas, both sides sa nanay at tatay ko. At saka Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us, Christian man or hindi Christian, Arabiano or Christian. Merry Christmas, because that is some of them it's holiday time, and some of them also they just respect both sides, like in Ramadan time also. Thank you. I can't one by one na to greet you a Merry Christmas to all subscriber of mine. I just make my greetings to all of you in my videos. And the Happy New Year soon. Coming the lucky year. I wish everything will be okay. The 2025. All buong bansa. Bawat bansa. Kung sa bagay that is a part, that is history na sa buong mundo. Okay. Kaya thank you, and thank you again. God bless us all. Ayan, no, this building, or this mga unfinished building. Just imagine, it's long time ago na. If I am not mistaken, before the war of late Saddam, President Saddam, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's the part history na that one of the Baghdad. The Baghdad, Iraq. The Baghdad is the home residence, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I learned, or that's what I know of the short history in Baghdad. Until now is 2025 already. Ayan. Okay. Grabe ka, ano na. Kasentennial. History na nga. Part of the history na. Grabe talaga. Okay, so once again, thank you. Keep safe to all Baghdad. I think also in Iraq and another cities of Iraq, keep safe. Maybe it's the same raining Keep safe, especially if you are driving. Keep safe and keep safe and keep safe talaga. Focus in driving, not in cellphone. Driving with cellphone, driving with cellphone. Ako po, I don't know. Ayan na, nagre-rain na. Ayan na, medyo umaano-ano na yung ulan naman. Lumakas-lakas ng konti. Ayan na. Okay, so thank you, and bye. Bye-bye. Ayan. Bye-bye. Dito lagi sa balkon. Wala naman akong ibang view. It's same views. Because we cannot go out. Bye-bye, 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 and bye-bye, and bye-bye. Tingnan naman this one.